For decades, we've been told we need to eat constantly, breakfast, snacks, every few hours to keep our energy up. But what if that advice is actually holding your brain back? So let's start by tackling this big one, the breakfast myth. The idea that we have to eat all the time to stay energized. But really, think about it. Have you ever had one of those days where you're snacking constantly and you just feel your mood swinging all over the place? And this really lays it all out, doesn't it? On one side, you've got that fed state, constant eating, which so often leads to those mood swings and that frustrating brain fog. And then on the other side, you have the fasted state, which can unlock a stable mood and this incredible mental clarity. Which kind of leads to this pretty wild question, right? What if everything we've been taught about eating for brain power is, well, backward? What if your brain actually performs at its absolute peak, not when you're full, but when you're actually giving your body a break from digesting? And just to be super clear here, we're not talking about some new diet fad. No way. This is about tapping into a really deep, really powerful biological survival mechanism that's literally built into your DNA. Okay, so what is actually going on inside your brain when it's running on a constant stream of sugar? Well, it's kind of like a hidden emotional roller coaster, and a lot of us are riding it every single day without even knowing it. It really all starts with a hormone called insulin. See, when you're snacking all day long, your insulin levels are pretty much always high. Your body is just constantly in storage mode. But here's the kicker. High insulin does way more than just store fat. It acts like a roadblock, and it literally prevents your brain from accessing a much cleaner, much more powerful fuel source that's already waiting inside you. But when you start to introduce a period of fasting, something truly amazing happens. Your body is incredibly smart. It notices there's no sugar coming in, and it basically says, okay, no problem, time to switch to the backup generator. And that backup generator, it runs on ketones. Now, I want you to think of ketones as high-octane rocket fuel for your brain. Seriously, they're a cleaner, more stable energy source, and they totally eliminate those sugar crashes that cause so much of that anxiety and brain fog. But it gets even better. Fasting doesn't just change your brain's fuel source, it actively helps to rebuild and strengthen the brain itself from the inside out. So let me introduce you to the hero of our story, a protein called BDNF. It stands for brain-derived neurotrophic factor. And it turns out fasting is one of the most powerful ways to get your body to release more of it. In fact, neuroscientists have actually nicknamed BDNF Miracle-Gro for the brain. And when you see what it does, you'll understand why. It's that powerful for brain health and growth. So what does this Miracle-Gro actually do? Well, for starters, it helps your brain grow brand new neurons. It strengthens the connections you already have, and it builds a brain that is just fundamentally more resilient to stress. So what does that feel like in real life? Well, it helps to calm down your amygdala. That's the part of your brain that's always scanning for threats. It's your anxiety center. Less activity there just means you feel calmer, more present, and more in control. And at the very same time, it strengthens your prefrontal cortex. Think of this as your brain's CEO. It's your command center for focus, for planning, and for emotional stability. A stronger prefrontal cortex means better concentration and less impulsivity. And you know what's so fascinating about all this cutting-edge science? It all connects back to our most ancient survival instincts. This is an advantage that's been hardwired into our DNA for thousands and thousands of years. Just think about this for a second. If our hunter-gatherer ancestors got weak and foggy-brained and depressed just because they hadn't eaten in a while, well, they would have died out. Humanity literally wouldn't be here. The truth is the complete opposite. Evolution designed our bodies and our brains to become sharper, more focused, and more alert when we're hungry. That was the critical advantage we needed to go out and find our next meal. See, during a fast, your body starts pumping out key performance hormones. You get a boost of norepinephrine, which leads to that incredible mental clarity. Your biology is literally getting you ready for the hunt. So really, you're just shifting between two basic modes. The fed state is all about digesting and resting, but the fasted state, that's for seeking and conquering. You're not starving your brain, you are optimizing it for peak performance. Okay, so how do you actually tap into this amazing biological advantage? It's so much simpler than you think. You don't need a pill or a supplement, you just need a little bit of time. Let's turn all this science into a simple, actionable challenge. It's called the 16-8 method, and it is incredibly simple. Step 1, you just fast for 16 hours a day. And don't worry, most of that happens while you're asleep. Step 2, you eat all of your meals within a specific 8-hour window. And step 3, you just observe. Pay attention to what happens. And you will start to notice the changes. You might feel your anxiety begin to drop. Your ability to focus gets sharper. And you'll probably feel your mood start to stabilize, finally free from those sugar-fueled highs and lows. Look, this is about so much more than just changing when you eat. This is about fundamentally changing how your brain operates, from the fuel it uses to the way it grows. So the only question left is, are you ready to reset your biology and unlock a clearer, calmer mind?